Service in Lincoln has issued a tornado warning for east central Vermilion County and east central Illinois until 5:30 p.m. At 5:16 p.m., trained weather spotters reported a funnel cloud near Tilton or near Denville. A tornado may develop at any time. Doppler radar showed this dangerous storm moving east at 35 miles per hour. Locations impacted include mainly rural areas of eastern Vermilion County. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.